What's the difference between a phrase, a clause, and a sentence? A phrase contains either a noun or a verb, but never both, and mainly a noun. On the wall is a prepositional phrase. The picture is a noun phrase. Running up the stairs is a gerund phrase. Clauses, on the other hand, contain both a subject and a verb, and generally contain more meaning than a phrase. Typically, they're also longer. There are two basic types of clauses. A dependent clause cannot stand alone because it has an interesting design. It is the subject, has is the verb. An independent clause, however, can stand alone. I like the painting. I is the subject, like is the verb. Independent clauses are also called sentences. Both represent one complete thought and contain a subject and a verb. But while all independent clauses are sentences, not all sentences are independent clauses. Sentences can be more complex. For example, I like the painting, independent clause, because it has an interesting design, dependent clause. All of that is one sentence. Now it's your turn. Write a phrase, a clause, and a sentence in the comments below and show me the differences.